Have you ever wondered about the journey of Bitcoin ETF approval? It's been a roller coaster ride with its fair share of highs and lows, twists and turns. Let's dive in and unravel the story of Bitcoin ETFs, starting from the year 2021. In March 2021, CBOE Global Markets filed a request with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, for approval to list a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund in the United States. This move coincided with a significant rise in Bitcoin's price, but it's worth noting that Bitcoin's value remains quite volatile. The SEC had previously rejected attempts to list Bitcoin ETFs. However, CBOE argued that a Bitcoin ETF would offer retail investors certain advantages, including better custody. Fast forward to October, Bitcoin's price surged past the $60,000 mark, spurred on by growing confidence that a Bitcoin futures-based exchange-traded fund, or ETF, would soon get the green light from US regulators. The ProShares ETF, set to track Bitcoin futures, was expected to start trading shortly. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF was seen as a long-awaited milestone for the industry, despite challenges such as China's crackdown on cryptocurrency. Now let's jump to November of the same year. Analysts from Bloomberg predicted that an Ethereum futures-based ETF may launch in the first quarter of 2022, potentially beating the anticipated launch of a Bitcoin spot ETF. The SEC had approved a Bitcoin futures-based ETF the previous month, but applications for Ether futures-based ETFs were withdrawn. Despite this, the Bloomberg note suggested that approval for an Ether futures-based ETF could arrive in the following year. Now we've arrived at our current year, 2023. The SEC has a tight schedule to approve 12 spot Bitcoin ETF applications within an 8-day window. According to intelligence, they predict an overall acceptance of the applications. Grayscale's recent success in court has set a precedent for this process. With their Bitcoin trust transforming into a spot ETF, it paves the way prospective approvals. The analysts estimate a high probability, 90% of an approval, before January 10th. In conclusion, the journey of Bitcoin ETF approval has been marked by anticipation, setbacks, and milestones. From CBOE filing for approval to list a Bitcoin ETF to the SEC's approval of a Bitcoin futures-based ETF and the expected approval of 12 spot Bitcoin ETF applications, the cryptocurrency industry has come a long way. This journey signifies the increasing acceptance and recognition of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the financial world. It's an ongoing story, and we can't wait to see how it unfolds. Until next time, stay tuned for more updates on the world of finance and cryptocurrency.